Barely a week into his 5-month sentence for faking an attack on himself, former Empire actor Jussie Smollett is a free man. Smollett walked out of jail last night after an appellate court said he could be free while he appeals his case. Les Trent with details of how Smollett spent his brief time behind bars.
Jussie Smollett's incarceration ended in spectacular fashion last night after just 6 days. His team of lawyers spoke out after Smollett's release.
Put in a cage for Class 4 felonies. Shame.
I spoke to his lead attorney, Nenye Uche, today.
What was Jussie's reaction when you told him he was going to be released?
For the first time, he got teary-eyed. He put his hands on the glass, slumped his head, and said, "I nearly lost hope." His two brothers were visiting him at the time, and of course, his brothers were really happy, and I think he was still in shock taking it in.
After an appeals court ordered his immediate release, Smollett was freed, surrounded by 5 men, all in black. In one hand, he carried what looked like the white shirt he wore when his booking photo was taken. In the other hand, he held a notebook.
I'm not suicidal.
The former star of TV's Empire was sentenced last week to 150 days for falsely claiming to police that he was the victim of a hate crime attack. The sentencing followed a tongue lashing by the judge.
You've been lying and lying and lying about this case.
The judge also angrily denied a request that he be released pending his appeal.
You will spend the first 150 days of your sentence in the Cook County Jail, and that will start today, right here, right now.
Smollett furiously protested his innocence as he was led away.
I am not suicidal.
Stop laughing about facts.
I am not suicidal, and I am innocent.
One of Smollett's brothers gave almost daily social media updates during Jussie's 6 days behind bars.
So Jussie is currently in a psych ward.
2 days later,
he's now been moved to a new jail cell out of the psych ward.
He did not eat. Jussie drank cold water with ice for the 6 days he was in there. I can't not eat for 1 day, so I'm not quite sure how he did it, but the jail staff confirmed to me that he wasn't eating. I think he was fasting.
What is Jussie doing now? What's he doing today?
Well, he's back home, he's with his family, he's around his loved ones.
Smollett's attorneys argued for his release because he would have completed his sentence by the time the appeals process was over.